Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. Today, we're going to talk about chamomile. Chamomile hydrosol has many wonderful uses. It is one of the best hydrosol use recommended for babies, child, and it's good for the acne, the sensitive skin because it's mild, and also it helps calm down, reduce the stress, and it's a wonderful hydrosol. Smells good. If you mix with the lavender hydrosol, it works pretty good for your calming and reducing the skin problems. And also it works for almost all of the skins. So in this video, I will demonstrate you my chamomile, and I'm gonna use that fresh chamomile to make the hydrosol, and also show you an easy way to make the chamomile extract and you can use right away. My chamomile is fully bloomed. It's a perfect time to harvest for making the hydrosol. And chamomile generally have two different types. The one is called a Roman chamomile. That's what I have. And the other one is a German chamomile. German chamomile is more the blue color oil because it has a higher content of calamazone. That is it's a blue color. And Roman chamomile also contains the chemical, but not as high as the German chamomile. Roman chamomile has more relaxing the benefits. It has a stronger the antibacterial properties from its hydrosol. Today I'm going to harvest the chamomile. Generally, we use the flower, but actually its leaf also has a pretty good scent. So I gotta harvest some of the leaf with flower and do the distillation together. You quite often can see some little bugs there. So use the water, just soak a little bit, then the bugs will be, they will flow up and then pour the water out. Hey, if you like our videos, please consider to join as a member in our channel. You will watch the member exclusive videos such as preservatives in hydrosol and how to become a successful distiller. Those mini classes. And you also have badges as a member when you leave the comments. A lot of features, and thank you for your support to help us grow. Today I'm using a KD5, the hydrosol maker, to make the chamomile hydrosol. The first step, just add a filter water in the pot. And it has the herb column, and this is a condenser. So within the herb column, you can see two sieve plates. So one go to the bottom, and now it's time to fill the chamomile into the cup. So it's pretty simple. You just fold it and push down in. When you fill the herb in the cup, just keep it loose. It doesn't need to be very condensed, so the steam can go through. And when the steam goes through, it will carry the essential oil out of the herb. That's how the distillation works to make essential oil or hydrosol. So if hydrosol is new to you, I have another video explaining the hydrosol and what is the benefit of it. Just fill up the cup all the way to the bottom. Don't go over the screw line, the bottom screw line, and close it. Now the herb column, herb steamer is ready. So just screw on the cap. Everything just hand, tighten is good enough. So just hook the condenser with the steamer. That's it. The whole setup is ready. Just turn on the heat, start the distillation, and don't forget add an ice cube into the condenser. This can help reduce the time you're replacing the hot water. If you don't have a still, you can just easily make a chamomile tea. You can just grab 2 or 3 flowers with the stem and pour the hot water, boiling water, into the cup with the flower and let it sit there for 10 minutes. Or if you want it stronger, you can pick more, like 5 or 6 of them, and then you can drink it. Or you can also, after you cool down, you pour the water, the tea, on the cotton pad, and then help reduce the eye, the swollen eye. And that is very helpful. And chamomile hydrosol actually is one of the recommended use for the eyes, reduce the eye redness and reduce the tiredness of the eye. There are only a few herbs can be used on eyes, and chamomile is one of the few. Thank you for watching. If you feel helpful, please like the video, share it, and subscribe the channel. And don't forget, subscribe our free membership on leotalkherbs.com. This is Dr. Leo. See you next time.